this problem. What is first? First is F circle, G circle, H. If nothing is there means we have to take X. What we are taking here? X. अपनी तरफ से यहाँ पर X ले रहे हैं, कुछ भी नहीं है तो ठीक है. Why? Because यहाँ पर देखिए F of X, G of X, H of X दिया ना. That's why we are taking X for this thing. Now listen to me. One thing is there, little, very little. 0 is equals to bracket. Actually, it's not a 0. It's called circle. What is this called? Circle. Is equals to bracket. For example, you are removing this circle. In place of that, you have to take bracket. इसका मतलब ये है कि अगर आप सर्कल को हटा रहे हैं, सर्कल की जगह पर ब्रैकेट लेना पड़ता है आपको. ठीक है, चलिए लेट्स सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लम. फर्स्ट व्हाट इज दिस? F as it is. Okay, then afterwards G, circle G as it is. Circle G as it is. This is in a bracket, no? Just keep it as it is. Then here circle is there. सबसे पहले जो बाहर का सर्कल है वो हटाना. सर्कल को हटा तो क्या था? ब्रैकेट आता. चलिए इधर देखिए, सर्कल बाहर है, सर्कल ये ब्रैकेट के, इसको हटाएंगे. सर्कल हटा तो क्या आ जाती? ब्रैकेट. सो दिस इज इन प्लेस ऑफ सर्कल, वी आर कीपिंग दैट ब्रैकेट. देन आफ्टरवर्ड्स सर्कल के बाद जितने अल्फाबेट्स बचे वो लिख लीजिए. क्या बचा? H and X. H and this is X. It's finished. Then afterwards remove this circle. Okay, so here F as it is. In place of circle we have to take bracket. Okay, this is opening bracket and this is closing bracket. Then afterwards G as it is. Then H of X as it is. Okay, got it? It's very easy, no? So this is F as it is. In place of circle we have to take bracket. Circle की जगह पर bracket लेना है. यहाँ से ये और ये bracket ले लिया. Then G as it is. Then ये वाला same H of X as it is. ठीक है, यहाँ पर brackets बहुत important. Put the brackets properly. Now here F as it is, G is also as it is. Then H of X. What is the value of H of X here? 3x plus 4. Okay, so this is in place of H of X I am going to take 3x plus 4. So this is 3x plus 4. This is opening bracket, this is closing bracket. This is opening bracket and this is closing bracket. Okay, now you can't add or subtract to this thing, so consider this is as X. What you have to suppose? This is as X, so it has become just G of X. It has become now G of X. What is the value of G of X? G of X is equals to 2x plus 3z. Okay, what is the value of that? G of X is equals to 2x plus 3z. Now see, in place of x की जगह पर आप क्या कंसीडर कर रहे हैं? यहां से लेके यहां तक पूरा कंसीडर कर रहे हैं. What is this? 3x plus 4 is this. Okay, so in place of x we have to write 3x plus 4. So this is F as it is. Now what is this? This is 2. आपको ये देखकर यहां पर लिखना है. Why? Because we are taking G of X value. What is this? This is 2. 2 as it is. Then afterwards, what is this? This is the X. X की जगह पर क्या ले रहे हैं आप? क्या सपोज कर रहे हैं? यहां से लेके यहां तक ये सपोज कर रहे हैं. What is this? 3x plus 4. X की जगह पर मैं ये लिख रहा हूं 3x plus 4. So this is 3x plus 4. This is finished. Then afterwards, what is this? Plus 3 is there. Just keep as it is. Plus 3. This is closing bracket. This is opening bracket. This is closing bracket. ये opening bracket. This is closing bracket. Now F as it is. Now 2 3s are 6. 6 into x 6x. This is finished. Then afterwards plus into plus plus. Then afterwards 2 4s are 8 plus 3 as it is. Plus 3 as it is. Then afterwards F as it is. Then 6x plus 6x. 8 plus 3 how much? It's 11. This is 11. Now you can't add or subtract to this thing, so consider this is as x. Okay, you have to imagine this is a x. Now you have to take f of x value. What is the f of x value? It's here, x plus 2. x की प्लेस में क्या लिखना है आपको? c f of x value is equal to x plus 2. लेकिन आप x की जगह पर क्या सपोज करें? 6x plus 11. x की जगह पर 6x plus 11. ये plus 2 का plus 2 as it is, ऐसा बन जाता वो. ठीक है, चलिए लिख रहे हैं. फर्स्ट क्या है? x. f of x की वैल्यू क्या है? x plus 2. So x की प्लेस में क्या सपोज करें आप? 6x plus 11. So this is 6x plus 11. Then plus 2 is there, plus 2. Then afterwards I am writing here, or else okay, let it be here only. And now 6x as it is, this is 6x plus, then 11 plus 2 how much? This is 13. So this is the answer of first one, F circle G circle H. Okay, then what we have to solve here? We have to solve second one here. So for solving second one, I am going to rub this thing. Okay, so shall I rub this? All right, let's make it second one now. What is second one? F circle G circle H. कुछ भी नहीं रहा तो क्या सपोज करना? X सपोज करना है यहाँ पर. X सपोज कर ली. Then see F is there, F as it is. मैं क्या बोला आपको? सर्कल. अगर आप सर्कल हटाएंगे तो उसकी जगह पर क्या आएंगी? ब्रैकेट आएंगी. चलिए ये सर्कल हटा दिया, यहाँ पर ब्रैकेट आ गई. इतनी बड़ी ब्रैकेट डालना कि उसके राइट साइड के नंबर्स अल्फाबेट्स उसके अंदर आ जा सकता. ठीक है, चलिए इतने काफी है, उतने में आ जाते. नेक्स्ट, दिस इज G circle H as it is. This is G circle H as it is. Then afterwards X as it is. This is X. Okay. Then पहले ब्रैकेट के बाहर जो सर्कल है वो सर्कल हटाया. अब क्या करना? ब्रैकेट के अंदर जो सर्कल है वो सर्कल हटाएंगे. This is F as it is. Then ये G as it is. Okay. Then यहाँ पर सर्कल है. सर्कल हटाए तो क्या आ जाती? ब्रैकेट आ जाती. चलिए सर्कल हटा दीजिए आप, ये ब्रैकेट डाल दीजिए. H as it is, then X as it is. ये ओपनिंग ब्रैकेट, ये क्लोजिंग, ये ओपनिंग, ये क्लोजिंग, ये ओपनिंग ब्रैकेट एंड दिस इज द क्लोजिंग ब्रैकेट. ओके, नाउ दिस इज F. चलिए अब मैं यहाँ पर एक बात बोलना चाह रहा हूँ आपको. इधर देखिए, ये जो सॉल्व करे आप, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो सॉल्व करे उसमें भी यही था. अब यहां से आप पूरा कॉपी कर ले सकते हैं. एक ट्रिक बता रहा हूं मैं आप लोगों को. अगर आपको टाइम नहीं है तो आप क्या कर सकते हैं? ये कॉपी कर ले सकते हैं जल्दी जल्दी. लेकिन आप लोग क्या करिए, समझ के करिए, ये बेहतर रहेगा आप लोगों के लिए. ओके, सो नाउ फ्रॉम दिस स्टेप ऑल स्टेप्स आर सेम. लेट अस सॉल्व वंस अगेन. F as it is, then G is also as it is. Now tell me what is the value of H of X here? Tell me what is the value of H of X? H of X is equals to 3x plus 4. So we have to take 3x plus 4. 3x plus 4. This is opening bracket, this is closing, and this is opening bracket, and this is closing bracket. Then afterwards, F as it is. Then now you can't add or subtract to this thing. अब इसको आप add और subtract नहीं कर सकते. क्यों बोले तो ये 3x यहाँ पर नंबर्स और अल्फाबेट्स हैं, यहाँ पर सिर्फ नंबर है, तो ये लोग ऐड नहीं होते. सिर्फ आप बोल सकते हैं कि ये दोनों ऐड हो रहे हैं मिलकर. नेक्स्ट, चलिए इसको x सपोज करिए. व्हाट डू यू हैव टू सपोज? दिस इज अ x. तो क्या बन गया? अब ये g of x बन गया. व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ g of x हियर? g of x इज इक्वल्स टू 2x plus 3. So let's take g of x is equals to 2x plus 3. But in place of x, you have to write 3x plus 4. क्योंकि आप x की जगह पर ये कंसीडर करें. So 2 as it is. This is 2. Then x is there. x की प्लेस पे क्या लिखना है आपको? 3x plus 4. Open the bracket. 3x plus 4. Closing bracket. Then plus 3 as it is. Plus 3. This is opening bracket. This is closing. This is opening bracket and this is closing bracket of that. Now here f as it is. Then 2 3s are 6. 6 into x, 6x. Then plus into plus, plus. 2 4s are 8. plus 3 as it is, plus 3 as it is. Then afterwards, f as it is, then 6x as it is, 6x plus 8 plus 3, how much? It's 11. Now, you can't add or subtract to this thing further. So, we are taking this is as x. We are considering this is as x. So, this is a f of x. Now, it's become f of x. So, tell me what is the value of f of x? F of x is equals to x plus 2. But, in place of x, you have to write 6x plus 11. So, I am going to write 6x plus 11 in place of that. See, f of x value is x plus 2. x की जगह पर क्या सपोज कर रहे हैं हम? 6x plus 11. So this is 6x plus 11. I am writing this thing. Then plus 2 is there. Plus 2, which is also equals to 6x plus 11 plus 2. How much it is? Is 30. So this is the answer of second one. F circle, G circle, H of x. It's a very interesting and important problem. Okay, anyhow, let's see, like this question will come in a section 3rd. I am telling to you, match at the time of annual examination, it's a guaranteed. Section 3rd, group B. Section 3rd, group B, 16 questions. It's this one, okay, in 4 marks. This, it's containing 3 problems. 6th one, 12th one, and one more thing is there. Out of 3 problems, guaranteed 1 problem is there at the time of annual examination. It means that in your board examination, SSC. Okay, so practice makes man perfect. Practice this problem. It's very, very, very important to you. Next, exercise 5th, page number 48, problem number 7. Let's shake this problem. 7th, given that f of x is equals to x minus 1, g of x is equals to x square minus 2, h of x is equals to x cube minus 3. Find f circle G, circle H. Second,